Hey everybody, so it was my brother's 61st birthday, so we decided to go for a nature walk, and we found a place that was kind of tucked away we had never been to before. Really secluded, really old, and just amazing. I absolutely loved it and wanted to share it with you guys. The spirits of these trees was so amazing. Not all of them were super friendly, but a lot of them really, really were. So enjoy this video. This is just amazing. Some of these palm trees are so, it's just massive. This is some old stuff. Wow, look at this guy. That's my brother. Look at this. Wow. So cool. Really cool. Hello. Can't really get the scope of this, but it's just amazing. Like, this is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's like you expect to see a dinosaur walk out of the woods. Well, maybe we will, an alligator. This one is so nice. So soft and welcoming. What a beautiful energy this one has. Incredible. Oh. Sorry I have nothing to leave you, but I leave you good energy. Oh, some bubbles. So we came upon this part of the trail that was closed because of hurricane damage in the past. And I was just like, I have to do it. But I was afraid, to be honest. And you knew trolls were there. And of course my big brother is going. No! How do we get you out if you fall in? Okay, y'all, I did it. So, since this has hurricane damage, this has probably been closed for years. Because the last big hurricane we had was a couple years ago. So, it's probably not a great idea, but I'm compelled. It's part of my destiny, my orlog, my fate. Look at that. Somebody lives there. That's a nice little slide. Right there. So obviously I started to follow my brother, and there he is testing out, kind of like pushing on the wood. And of course, we came across the reason why this part was closed. This is like, we're not supposed to be in this part, but it is absolutely so crazy magical in here. And more of this broken down trail, but the energy here is a lot different, and lots of people living down in these waters here. So many old trees that once were underwater, covered with water. Just the coolest, most interesting place. Really, really beautiful. And none of these colors are enhanced or anything. I mean, that's the green that you actually saw. So, all right, folks, get out in nature.